I'm going to move the negative 4v, so it will become plus 4v. So I've got 6v plus 4v, which is 10v. Still have negative 2 equals positive 88. Opposite of subtract 2 is to add 2. So 10v equals 90. Opposite of multiply by 10 is to divide by 10. So v equals 9. Need to move the 10m across. It's going to become subtract 10m. So I've got 13m subtract 10m, which is 3m. Still got plus 2 equals positive 23. Inverse of add 2 is to subtract 2. So 3m equals 21. Opposite of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. So m equals 7. FOIL, a times a is a squared. A times positive 10 is positive 10a. Negative 2 times a is negative 2a. And negative 2 times positive 10 is negative 20. Keep the a squared. Positive 10a subtract 2a is positive 8a, and I keep the negative 20. N multiplied by n is n squared. N multiplied by negative 3 is negative 3n. Negative 2 multiplied by n is negative 2n. And negative 2 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 6. So I've got n squared. Negative 3n subtract 2n, which is negative 5n, and plus 6. These factorising are going into 2 brackets. I need to think what multiplies to 54. So that's 1 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 18, 4 doesn't go in, 5, 6, and 9. And of those, 6 add 9 add up to 15. Two brackets again. Want to multiply to make 50. And of those, 5 and 10 also add up to 15. Opposite of divide by 5 is to multiply by 5. So I have j minus 47 equals negative 9 multiplied by 5 is negative 45. Opposite of subtract 47 is to add 47. And I get 2 as my answer. Inverse of divide by 4 is multiply by 4. So I get k subtract 30 equals negative 5 multiplied by 4 is negative 20. Opposite of subtract 30 is add 30. Gives me k equals 10. Simultaneous equation. So the bottom equation starts with a 9, so I'm going to multiply the top equation by 9. So 63u, 30 36F equals 540. Top equation starts with 7, so I'll multiply the bottom equation by 7. 63U again. 28F 476. Then I do the top one, subtract the bottom one. So I've got positive 36, subtract positive 28, which makes 8. And 540 subtract 476, which is 64. Opposite of multiply by 8 is divide by 8. So F equals 8. Go back to the top equation. 7U plus 4. Well, F I now know is 8. Four 8s are 32. Opposite of add 32 is subtract 32. Which makes 28. And the opposite of multiply by 7 is divide by 7. So U equals 4. Second pair, they already have the same start, so I don't need to do any multiplying. I can just get on with subtracting. So positive 3 subtract positive 1 is 2s. 15 subtract 13 is 2. Opposite of multiply by 2 is divide by 2. So s equals 1. Take the top equation. S I now know is 1. Three 1s are 3. Opposite of add 3 is subtract 3. So I get 3G equals 12. And the opposite of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. So G equals 4.